Elections in Eswatini. The Parliament of Eswatini, or Libandla, is bicameral, consisting of a lower chamber, the House of Assembly, and an upper one, the Senate. Some of the members of both chambers are elected, while the rest are appointed by the King of Eswatini. Election is by secret ballot in a first-past-the-post system of voting. Members of both chambers serve for 5-year terms. All candidates run on a non-partisan basis, as political parties are banned. Selection process. The Assembly has 66 members, of which 55 are elected from single-member constituencies corresponding to the Tinkondlas tribal communities. 14 Tinkondlas are located in Choho district, 11 in Lubombo district, 16 in Manzini district, and 14 in Shisloni district. Candidates are first nominated at the Tinkondla level. The top 3 finishers then proceed to a general election, where the candidate who receives the most votes is elected. The king appoints the other 10 members, at least half of whom must be women. The 66th member is the Speaker of the House, who is elected from outside the House. If the percentage of women members falls below 30%, a maximum of 4 women may be elected from the administrative regions. The House selects 10 of the 30 members of the Senate, and the king appoints the rest. Of these, at least 5 of the 10 and at least 8 of the 20 must be women. However, according to the Inter-Parliamentary Union database, in 2008, there were 12 women senators instead of the minimum stipulated 13, and in 2013, there were only 10. Qualifications and disqualifications. Each member of Parliament must be at least 18 years old, a citizen, a registered voter, and have paid all taxes or made arrangements satisfactory to the Commissioner of Taxes. Disqualifications are being insolvent under any law, without having been rehabilitated, being of unsound mind, sentenced to death or more than 6 months in prison for a crime in Eswatini, a member of the country's armed forces, or holding or acting in a public office without being granted a leave of absence to serve in the Senate, unqualified to be a voter. Oversight. The Elections and Boundaries Commission is an independent authority consisting of a chairperson, a deputy chairperson, and 3 others whose duties include overseeing voter registration. Members are appointed for a single term not exceeding 12 years. Past elections. Eswatini held general elections in 2018. In September 2013, James Wayne ran unopposed and was elected president of the Senate for the 3rd consecutive time. Angamayeona Gamins was chosen as deputy president, also for the 3rd consecutive time. 6 of King Mswati Roman III's selections were members of his family. The current Speaker of the House of Assembly is Prince Kujuza Dlamini. Past elections have lacked transparency. The full results of both the 2018 and 2013 elections were never published.